Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are introducing a hidden gem near Vagamon, Kerala, the mysterious St. Andrew's CSI Church, popularly known as the Lucifer Church or Dracula Church. This is a remote attraction located off the Upputhara Elappara road, not on the main route. The drive along this stretch is stunning, with rolling hills and tea estates along the way. This church became famous after featuring in the Malayalam movie Lucifer. Since then, it's been a must-visit spot for movie lovers and travelers looking for something unique and hidden. It may not look grand at its first glance. The charm lies in its abandoned Gothic look, the large barren tree and the tea plantation surrounding it. The mist, weathered stones, and quiet atmosphere give it a hauntingly beautiful vibe, almost like stepping into another world. Behind the church lies an old cemetery where weathered graves date back to the 19th century. The site reflects classic British missionary architecture, its moss covered tombs whispering stories of faith, time, and devotion. A quiet walk through this serene spot offers visitors a glimpse into the region's colonial past and enduring spiritual heritage. One local told us that the massive barren tree, locally called Velilavu, once stood tall and green. But years ago, it was struck by lightning, which caused it to become completely leafless. Now it stands as a symbolic figure, its twisted, bare branches against the misty cemetery backdrop create a view that's both haunting and poetic. Because it's quite isolated, make sure you visit before sunset. After dark, thick fog rolls in and visibility drops quickly. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more travel videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, bye.